fixing my fanatics bear, and the wheel that moves the head actually like snapped open. So what I did was I like modified it. I stuck that wheel piece on there, stuck a pin through one of the holes, and put that piece on there, and now it works. Surprisingly. Okay, this is honestly one of the hardest repairs I've ever done. By the way, the wire came off, so I'm putting it back on, but yeah, so this thing kept getting caught on the plastic, so I had to cut a hole, but yeah. See, now it's not getting caught, but it did used to get caught. I have no clue how the board was going. I kind of squeezed it together, but yeah. I just want to point out real quick that the reason that that spinning piece broke is because there was a factory error on it. See that pin right there? And there's a pin right on that side. One of them wasn't inside the plastic. It was just like sitting on top. So when it played, it cracked it open. If that was actually inside of the holes there, instead of like on top of the plastic, it wouldn't have broke. But it was on top of the plastic, so yeah. But now it's back in there and everything's working fine. I'm just gonna wait a little longer to get that wire, that battery compartment wire to dry. Barely moves, but it moves. I should have expected that. Let's get that one piece broke.